Ok, voy a intentarlo. Hi team, my name is Daniel and I think I understand the question about said Jan Misker. It's about that you have, indeed, you have one client, one Shopee store, one Git repository, or two or more teams. I make this video so that will be much easier to understand because I think there is a lot of confusion about what are we. Well, I am having this trouble too, and that's make us too. So that I am gonna talk in plural. So we have this situation that maybe have a solution that we could work out. Uh, uh, for an instance, my partner says you have this timeline git, okay? And the timeline git says that you have a master, that the master is going to be the production timeline, and then the development that is going to be the, the develop that you are working on. Imagine this. For example, I have master branch, and also a develop branch, and I start the Shopify by zero. I choose a theme that is one from the Shopify store, and then I like it. I download, etc., etc. I make the initial commit without any changes, only by selecting by choosing the theme. Then I add a footer sec. Then in the develop section, in the develop branch, sorry, I add a footer section. I also add images. I also change the images because maybe the client changes. They'll add a logo and then change the color style of my theme. That will be for my instance. That will be my version one, for example. And then when I am ready to go, I merge the develop to the master branch. This branch is the production branch, so this is going to be my version one. But what happens when I upload or when I download a theme? I can only have one theme by the code, and so I cannot have multiple themes in the code. For example, let me show you. In the I have here the a little project that I made, by example, and this contains all the folders. But if I make a theme download, it will be download another theme. Let me show you, but it will be much easier to understand. For example, I have this project, right? So I have the theme that I'm current, that is production narrative, and also I have the develop narrative. As you can see, it's the same theme that is called narrative. It's from the Shopify store, but what I did is I duplicate this theme, so this would be much easier to understand that this is the production narrative that is going to be that is going to see my client, and also this is the developed narrative that is going to be for me. And maybe if I want to see to my colleague or maybe my boss, or the site that I'm working on and it's not ready yet, I will I will show you the developed narrative, and if for the client it will be the production narrative. It will be very powerful, very I don't know how to say it, but very useful. This this kind of tool, because it will stay maintain the branches that is in Git. Okay, so as is what I explained here. For example, I have the production narrative theme and I have the developing theme. The production narrative theme is going to be in the master branch, and the develop branch is going to have the develop narrative theme. As you can see, it's the same theme, but I have different content in those branches and in those teams. That's what I think my partners is trying to say, and I hope that it will be understandable for me, because I am from Mexico, so my English is not exactly as good as you guys. Uh, and well, uh, a solution that could be, uh, I I think a couple solutions that maybe work out, and it's only for you can check it out. For my partner side is that we can make a theme configure from different environments. That will be amazing. For example, if I have my environment, it will be production, and then here will be development, and then I have two different environments and two different teams in each one in different environment in different themes. It's simple as that. And then, for example, it's the same here. If we can download by environments, then we will be also amazing too. For example, production and also development, right? Development. And the deploy will be theme deploy and development and theme deploy and production. That in that case, we in the code we can just type uh, theme deploy and production, and all the things that I have in production in my master branch, it will be updated in the production team in and in the development branch it will be the same. So that's the that's a couple solutions that I make up. It I think that it will be enough for understand, and for us, I Jan and me, we we have this situation that maybe we can think that we can figure it out and we can solve it by only these commands added to the new version of Shopify, the Shopify theme kit. And that's it. I hope you understand it. And if you have any question, I can write you an email about that. Just I'm gonna leave you my email. If you have any question, you can write it down. And well, yes, that's it. Thank you for watching.